Yeah, I have to redo this video in detail. I remember one of the video I posted this, but I did not really give exactly the details how I did mine. So this is it. I have this Leos blender. It's same like almost the same as Bucci blender. It is very strong. I love this blender. I'm not doing well. I'm already doing free adverts. Um, I put the oatmeal inside and I started blending. The oatmeal you're going to use, the one I usually use is this instant oatmeal. But if you're using the classics oatmeal, that one they write cook for 3 minutes, is still very much good. Any kind of oatmeal you use is very good, but the cooking duration will have to change. If you use this instant oatmeal, you are going to follow this cooking duration. If you're using cook for 3 minutes oatmeal after blending it, you're going to be using another cook time duration. So this is me trying to put everything inside so that it can blend in uniform. Push the corner inside because as it's blending now, some other that is on top will not be blending well. So you have to push it inside. Use your spoon to push everything inside. And I blended that 200 I blended that 2 pack, which is 800 grams each. 800 grams each. So I have it filled up my my 5 liter rubber. It was almost at the brim of it. So you allow the water to boil first before you add your oatmeal inside, and just measure the water according to your oatmeal. Don't put too much water. Just in case you put too much water, it's not a problem. You can actually add the flour, the oat flour, more to solidify it up. You get. So yes, so this is how I like mine. This is how I want it to be. So I have to just put. This is how the quantity I usually swallow. I don't usually make it and keep overnight. I only make the quantity I have to swallow at a go. So this is me allowing it to. I allow it to. I stir. I did not add any water nor oatmeal again. The one I added from the beginning is the one I was stirring. Now just allow it to cook a little bit with a very low heat, and the moment it's already not sticky to the bottom of the pot, then I know it's done. Yes, so this is the swallow. It is very, very good. It is not sticky in your hands when you do it. It's very firm. It doesn't it feels like fufu in your hands. It feel like pando when you mold it.